Here it is. I'm just crossing my fingers. It tastes nice. Just hope. Yeah. Missing someone. Good morning, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutu wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making a pineapple coleslaw salad. I hope I've pronounced it right. Courtesy of Brenda Mulunga, aka Nairobi Kitchen on Instagram, Nairobi Kitchen on YouTube, and she also has a blog, Nairobi Kitchen. She does food videos. Okay, so in her recipe she used mayonnaise, but since I have hey, English, but since I don't have mayonnaise, she gave me an alternative dressing, which I'm going to show shortly. Without any further ado, let's just go right into the video. The ingredients are cabbages, 1 large carrot, pineapple, vinegar, salt, sugar, and 1 clove garlic. So now we are going to cut the cabbages. And I cut my pineapples into cubes or cubish or some shapes. So I'm just going to add the cabbages here, the carrot rather, here, and mix well, as she said. So the bowl was too small for me to mix everything, so I had to switch to this African Kenyan bowl. It's forever in every Kenyan kitchen. Yeah, so I just added garlic and I'm going to mix everything thoroughly. Okay, remember guys, ingredients, you're going to measure them according to the quantity of whatever you are using. That is according to me. I did not use that much of cabbages, so I'm thinking my ingredients are going to be different because I used only 1 carrot and a portion of cabbage. Sawa. So just measure the ingredients according to the portion that you're doing. Sawa. So now we're going to add sugar and some salt. Sugar, she said 2 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm going to add only 1 because of the size of my salad. Sawa. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, as I said, and a pinch of salt. So now guys, I'm going to add in the pineapples. These are my pineapples. I used 1. You see the one that we buy for 20 bob. We bought a full pineapple. Nilikata ile kidogo. So I used only 1, the one that we buy for 20 shillings. So I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm really interested to see how the garlic is going to taste inside this salad, because normally if you eat garlic like that, it leaves a certain smell in your mouth. So I'm really interested to see if the vinegar and everything else that I'm going to put here is going to make a difference. So now I'm just going to add in the vinegar, and then we're going to go to the dressing. So I added the bottle top of vinegar to this. So I'm just going to mix everything together.
For the dressing, I'm going to use black pepper. I boiled the black pepper, meaning nilipima kwa macho, but that is equivalent to half teaspoon. Half lemon juice, I squeeze half of my lemon, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and instead of honey I used again a tablespoon of sugar.
So I'm really curious to know how this thing is going to taste like. Hi. So I'm just going to pour in the dressing, and then after that you're supposed to refrigerate it. And because of all this noise, I think I'm going to do a voiceover on the ingredient part. So I'm just going to mix everything together before I finally take it to the fridge. Yeah. If you're watching this video, most probably it worked, because if it didn't work, I wouldn't have put up this video. Ooh, the smell of garlic, it is powerful. This is how it looks. Hi guys, as the pineapple coleslaw is refrigerating, I was about to make my usual homemade air freshener. So this was trending a while, like a year or two ago, on the internet, and I picked it up and I've been using it since then. So I thought I should share with you guys in case someone doesn't know. So this is how it goes. So I'm going to use bicarbonate or vinegar. So you either use bicarbonate or you use vinegar. So I've run out of vinegar, it's kidogo, so I'm going to use bicarbonate. And then I'm going to use this Downy, the new Downy perfume collection. This is what I'm going to use, is a fabric softener. So you can use any fabric softener that smells nice. And then we are going to use hot water too. So let me just show you real quick how to do it. Yes guys, it's actually warm water, not hot water. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of bicarbonate, this one, to mix it up. So I've already poured the tablespoon here. Please don't use anything that you use in the kitchen to mix up these things, because it's going to leave a lasting smell. This is what I use for my bathroom, so that's why I'm using it. And then I have this bottle. It used to be my body splash bottle. I used to have body perfume here, so I've retained it so that I'm able to use it. I'm able to spray using this thing. Yeah, that's why it's easier for this. I hope I'm not just blabbering. So this one here, bicarbonate, and then Downy fabric softener. You can use any fabric softener that smells nice according to the taste of your smell or whatever. So I'm just going to pour in the Downy. I'm pouring all of it inside. Then I'm going to pour in the warm water, just enough. So now what are we going to do here? I'm going to pour this in here, and then I'm going to add more water if this bottle is not full. Sawa. So because I'm using bicarbonate and it is not liquid, you have to shake or stir the ingredients very well. Sawa sawa. Yeah. Or if this is going to be too hard for you, please use vinegar. Vinegar. So I'm going to pour this inside. See what's happening. This is how it looks. Why my nails look bad? And just like that, we have our homemade air freshener. So this is going to last me a month. I'm going to use this in the toilet. Aki, my nails look bad. Ignore them. Just concentrate on the important message I'm bringing to you guys. There you have it. So it's going to look like this. You're going to let it cool down, but let us do a test. Actually, it usually smells so nicely. I used to use the blue downy, the one that has a blue cover. I discovered this one that has a brown cover and I love it. Let me just spray it here. It smells really good. So anyway, let's just go check on the pineapple coleslaw, see how it tastes. I'm actually really nervous because me and salads, we are not like friends like that. We are not tight, me and salad. We have a love-hate relationship. So I'm hoping I made something nice. I'm just praying that I made something nice, that my ingredients were on point. Guy, because that will be one, wasting food, and then two, time wastage. You know that, yeah? So anyway, yeah, let's go check on that. So guys, it's much later in the day. It's 6 p.m. I just want to show you guys how this thing turned out. We're just going to test it together and see. I hope that garlic is not going to try it and do anything funny, and I hope my ingredients are on point, because wasting food and time right now is not a good thing. Here it is. Just crossing my fingers. It tastes nice. Just hoping. What did I get myself into? Oh Lord. It's actually really good. It is really good. Really good. It's really good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.